Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to another Audi video. So, is your car popping this message up? If it does, you're probably thinking, oh, here we go, that's the end of the car, end of the line. But no, it's not. Honestly, it's a pretty simple fix. So, I hear that a lot of cars have this problem, and a lot of guys spend hundreds or even thousands of euros or dollars to fix this, because at Audi dealership they tell you that water pump needs to be replaced, or thermostat, and a lot of different components. But after they fixed all of that, the message still remained on the dashboard. So in order to really fix this thing, you just need to replace one small part, which is not expensive, and that is Purge valve, or air vacuum solenoid valve. And it looks like this. So you can buy it straight from Audi, and they ask something around $130 for it. But also you can order it online from the eBay or Amazon. And the thing is, the company that makes it for Audi is called Purge. So I don't know if you see it on the camera. It says Purge, and on the other side this is Audi logo. So if you buy it from dealership, 130 bucks. If you buy it online, you get the original part from Audi, from Purge, for like 30 to 40 bucks maybe. I'll put this in description and also link this valve. Okay, so I'll show you how to do it, where is the valve located, and how to replace it. Let's pop the hood and let's go. First thing you need to do is lift the engine cover. And now to locate the valve, it's on the left side on the engine. It's below this hose. It's this one. So this is the connector, and below here, I don't know if you can see it, this is one hose, and this is the other one with the yellow marking. So it's oriented like this below the hose. So the valve is fixed in place with this metal pin, like a metal carrier, so you can help yourself with a flathead screwdriver, and you must push it in this direction, on the left. It goes like this. Here we go. Then you can pull the solenoid out to see it a bit better. So now try to remove this hose first, and rubber hose can get pretty stuck, so you can help yourself with a small screwdriver to get it off. Here. There we go, one part is out. Now you try to disconnect the bottom one, yellow one. Again, help yourself with some screwdriver. This bottom one was pretty stuck because of the high temperature. The rubber sticks to the metal, but I worked my way up and it should pop out right now. Yeah, there you go. So you just need to remove the connector now. There's a tricky part with the connector. It has a small plastic flap inside, and I don't know if you can see it, but you need to lift it up with a screwdriver in order to be able to remove it. There we go. It's out. Now we take a new valve and do the whole process again backwards. First, connect the connector until you hear a click. Then to connect the hose, it's a bit tricky part. it's not there's not so much space in it, but we'll make it somehow. Bottom one is connected, and now the back one. And the last thing to do, you just need to put the valve to fix it back on the metal pin, and then it looks like this. It shouldn't move anywhere, it should be fixed, all the hose connected, also the connector, and that's it. And that's it, guys, all done. The hardest part of it is to be able to remove the rubber hose from the valve, because there's such a little space for the fingers, so that's a bit tricky part. Yeah, just take your time and work slowly. Help yourself with some pliers and a small screwdriver, and you can do it for sure. It's like a 10-minute job, and just make sure once you connect the new valve that the rubber hose are all the way in and the connector is connected properly, and that's it. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. Smash that like button, subscribe to help my channel grow, and see you in the next one. Have a nice day, guys. Let's go!